Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordy and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we're going to make 총각 kimchi. Yes, I've already made Nepal cabbage kimchi, the traditional style kimchi. So if you haven't checked the video yet, please go ahead and check out the video right here. And we also made the vegetarian version of the round cabbage kimchi as well. So please check that video as well. And this time, actually many of you have asked me to make different kinds of kimchi. So I decided to make 총각 kimchi. Initially, I wanted to make 깍두기, but I couldn't find the big radish here in India, so I'm going to use the young radish, the baby radish, to make the radish kimchi. In Korean, we call it 총각 kimchi. And as you already know, when you make kimchi, you have to ferment it for a few days. You have to put it outside 1 or 2 days, and then later you have to keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week or something like that. We're going to share with you all the process. So to see the final result, please make sure to watch the episode until the end. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first of all, you need to clean the young radish. I peel off the skin and remove some dirt and cut off some dirty leaves and also wash one time. And now it looks very clean.
Look at this beautiful young radish.
And now I'm going to put some salt and sit for 30 minutes. We're going to wait 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the kimchi paste. So let's make the rice porridge first. If you have already made kimchi before, the process is pretty much the same. Alright, it looks good now, so I'm going to boil this. Wow, look at this! It's like a soup. I want to eat this. But we gotta cool it down, and meanwhile we're going to prepare some other ingredients to put in the kimchi paste. Alright, so let's grind this onion and garlic. Okay, just a bit more. Good. Nice. Alright, so now let's put the ground onion and garlic in the cool down porridge. And we need gochugaru. I made this chili powder using dried Kashmiri chili. So it's not supposed to be super spicy, right? Wow, this is a lot. Since I'm using very small amount of radish, I think just half of this is enough. Depends on how many radish or how many grams of radish you use. You can increase the amount of paste as you wish. Should I give it a try? No. Okay, why not? Just a little bit. It's not spicy at all. It's very nice. I like it. Cool. Alright, now 30 minutes have passed, so let's check the radish. Okay, you see a little bit of water, but not that much. And we'll wait for another 30 minutes. Guys, I just realized that I made a mistake. I should have cut the radish in half before putting the salt. So now it's not too late. So I'm going to cut the radish right now. now another 30 minutes have passed. Let's take a look at how the radish look like. Ooh, here, some water. Alright, I think now it's ready to be washed. Alright, so now let's put the paste. Finally, we don't have the gloves again, so we're going to use this as an alternative because I don't want to burn fire on my hand. I'm going to use only half of this paste because it's a lot. Pretty much done, so we're going to put it in the container. Alright, so now we're going to put this outside for about 2 days to ferment. And let's see how it goes. I will see you guys after 2 days. Bye! So 2 days have passed. So let's see how the kimchi look like. Ooh. Okay, let me smell this. Oh, it smells very sour. Yeah, I think it's ready. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, let's see. I think you already can try these too. So you see, there's a water here. So you're gonna pour it over. I'm using small spoon, but please use the big spoon. And pour it over all the water. And then keep it in the refrigerator.
Nice. Oh yeah, I shaved. I look very different and young, right? Okay, I'm gonna try this with some rice now.
Oh yeah, wait.
I think it's a bit too big, the piece, no? Should we cut it or... Anyway. Smells pretty authentic. Nice! Nice! It's not as juicy as I expect. Usually this radish gets a lot of the juice or the water. It's okay. It's... wow! It's a real thing. Pretty much Korean moo kimchi. Nice. Maybe our rice. Remember guys, this is not a dish, it's a side dish. Don't make a plate full of this and eat it as it was a meal. Because we had some comments asking,
oh, that's too spicy, I have a bad stomach.
No, you should eat.
very small amount as a side dish for rice or noodles or soups or whatever. Nice. It's a total success. Am I supposed to eat the...
Oh yeah, of course.
leaves?
Yeah. You're supposed to eat that
It's a bit
too.
messy, but...
This is different from kaktugi. Kaktugi is cubed radish. This one you eat all together. You've never tried this kind of kimchi in Korea?
I think I did.
There you go. That's how you're supposed to eat that.
It tastes very healthy and cleansing. It's not too sour, not too spicy. Nice, I'm glad that we have a pretty good amount for the next few days. Alright. Yeah, as I said, total success.
Okay, my first time trying 총각 kimchi, which was made by me. My mom would be so proud of me. Oh my god, this one looks legit. Look at this! Oh my god. Okay, let's try. It's good. It's nice.
Nice.
I really like the texture. You know, the high quality. It's not crunchy. High quality. It's really good. Oh my god. Wow, this is nice. Okay, let me try it with the rice. Because itself is quite salty. Good. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna try this leaves part. This is more juicy, you know? It sucked more the sauce, the leaf part. Very nice. Very nice.
Nice.
Oh, before I forget, one tip to keep the kimchi a bit longer is that don't ever put your used chopsticks or whatever in the kimchi container. Please use the new one unless it's gonna spoil really fast. Because I got some comments that say,
Oh, it spoils fast and it didn't last long.
so that's the one tip. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any further episode. And if you want to support our channel more, you can also become a member. Please click the join button down below. Alright, so I will see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕!
You look like a rabbit.
Okay.
One tip to keep the kimchi last. One tip to keep the kimchi longer. Used chopsticks or a fork. One tip.